Ramjan, Sumit, Arjun, Debashish. Substitutes are Arun, Akash, Sunny and Karan. And now folks, this is what they've been playing for. Over 2 days, almost 72 games later, the 73rd game is the finals. And in front of you in the black are West Bengal, and in the red are Haryana. Both the teams on the field playing for glory, playing for the title of champions. Folks, this promises to be a riveting and exciting game. And let's see who at the end of it all will be crowned champions. The referee for this game will be Surajit. An all important final. And a lot are riding on this game for both these teams. Just moments away now from the start of this final, as the referee will blow the whistle that will signal the start. And here we go, the final is underway.
The clash of the titans here between the two top teams vying for this coveted trophy here. Once again, ball kickoff taken by Haryana and well collected by Bengal. Bengal making a move down right across, being brought down by Haryana, but ball held up by Bengal for a penalty awarded to Haryana. Haryana make the move, ball going right down the center and going barging through Bengal's defense here. A ruck down, advantage. Haryana barging through again from the pickup and drawing about 2-3 players along with them, and some Maul there, driving there right onto the ground for a ruck. Advantage, but not releasing the ball. Bengal holding on for and giving a penalty to Haryana, making a solid move right across into Bengal's defense. Once again, Haryana popping the ball out to Haryana's inside and getting right through that gap here, unable to contain them. That is the first try for Bengal, for Haryana. So Haryana move up here for 5 points, and we see two players having an injury on the field, both lying, waiting for the physio to come down. And that was a heavy pack by the Haryana player, driving through right about good 10-15 yards, taking along with them 2-3 Bengal players. So here Haryana move up to 5 points. So it seems okay. Both the players are waiting for the referee to signal the start here. Okay, yes, they've come back onto the ground. Conversion to be taken by Haryana. So Haryana here taking a lovely conversion, successful here, taking up their total to 7 points. So it was Haryana for the first few minutes of the game, taking full possession, driving through Bengal's defense here. Good ruck, advantage taken by them extremely well to score the first try of the game. So up there, right deep into a restart, from a restart, Bengal holding the ball, driving through Haryana. Very well, slept a lovely move down from the center to the fly half, but then a little mistake by Bengal for a knock-on, not been able to collect the ball properly. Haryana now gets set to throw in the ball. You can see the scrum down here. You see the heavier pack of the Haryana team against all outs against Bengali scrum down. Locked in, ball coming out. Haryana get the ball to move across the wing. to the blind side and reverting back again into the center. And look at that. Once again holding the ball to pass through. Ruck down. Haryana ball trying to break through the center again. Good tackle by Bengalia. Penalty awarded. And offside by Bengal. So once again Haryana taking the penalty. A penalty move has been initiated by Haryana, passing it down from the center, trying to break through the Bengal defense, trying to hold on well from the ruck, and again a penalty against Bengal for diving into the ruck. Quick move by Haryana, coming across the field all by himself and waiting for the winger, but well defended by Bengal here, preventing Haryana to go and break through. Once again, Haryana possession of the ball, running right across the field, being tackled extremely well and well collected, offloaded and taken right into the in-goal area. But ball held up in the in-goal area. Both the teams desperately trying to sort of get possession of the ball, but as the referee indicated, the ball held up, not cleanly grounded by any one of them. So a little consultancy with the assistant referee by the referee. So it's ball held up, scrum down, Haryana to put in the ball. They're right up in Bengal's 5-meter area from the goal line. So we see here advantage going in the favor of Haryana for throwing the ball in the scrum. Ball very much with Haryana in possession, and ball rolling down the line right across, making a slight mistake by Haryana, taking advantage of that knock on. Bengal now much in possession, going on the blind side, but somehow being held down by Haryana, and a quick ruck, and that's an offside against Haryana for neck tackle. So once again Bengal move from the penalty point, passing off but unable to get the ball right into the Black's hand, and then hampering their movement here. Once again, quick move and a knock on. It's not a knock on, it's gone back behind. So well in touch. Bengal holding on. Haryana well here at the moment. And a referee has indicated a scrum down. I think must have gone right across for a line out at the time of situation has been seen here that the referee has awarded a penalty in favor of Bengal. Penalty taken in, Bengal trying to take the ball through, whip it pass down the backs, a long pass to the winger, but coming back into the game in the center and looking for the break here, and look at the support. Quick low offload there by Bengal, a quick move on the ring, and look at that move, look at that side stepping there, and once again collected beautifully. Bengal following it up, back into Haryana's defense here. Haryana desperately trying, but there again Bengal caught holding the ball in the ruck for not releasing. So quick penalty, and Haryana take that advantage. A long overhead pass, but well held down by Bengal. An advantage for the knock on by Haryana, and Bengal to throw it. I think it's a penalty awarded to Bengal. An offside by Haryana here. Slight hold up here. Good work by Bengal, ensuring that they are defending pretty well and following it up well when they get that move done. In spite of being brought down, support coming up extremely well and offloading off and support going well together. A penalty to Bengal here for offside. Haryana offside, Bengal making a quick move across, trying to pass the ball not going up through a clean pass here, but well rotated by Bengal right down the center. So here we see the referee calling back, and a yellow card to one of the Haryana players for dangerous play. And penalty would be awarded again to Bengal. So here we see a player short in the Haryana squad here for that yellow card being issued for foul play. So the physio there on the field here to attend the injured player of Bengal here. Score still locked by advantage of 7 points to Haryana to West Bengal 0. And Haryana putting that pressure, well taken by West Bengal very well, holding them down from the first 7 minutes of the game. A quick move by Bengal, going through that gap there, brought down by Haryana, and once more penalty against Haryana for offside in the ruck, and a lovely move by Bengal working through the center and getting that gap, and look at that move, and a quick dive right under the post and taking full advantage, totally unmarked, being hotly chased by Haryana somehow at the last moment with a diving right inside into the end goal to get that points, very crucial 5 points for Bengal. Excellent display by Bengal at very closing stages of the first half. And what a move. Look at the slow motion there. Rigorous pass by the Haryana player, caught on by his jersey, yet managing to go through in the in goal and score the try. Great effort, fantastic effort.
Yes, that was definitely a very, very good effort there. You could see the emotions there. You could see the burst of emotion as West Bengal scored that try, and they've also successfully converted the free kick. The scoreline is level, 7-7 to Haryana and West Bengal. Nothing that can separate these two teams at the end of the first half of the finals. And what a final it has been until now, truly. It shows why these two teams are here, going absolutely neck to neck, giving everything they've got. And West
बोल लो और खेलते रहो बस.
Bengal, they could have been under some pressure, but they showed that they are also all ready to battle it out for the championship, for the title of champions. And if anything, the second half promises to be every bit more exciting.
Exciting first half. A major portion of the game in the first half earlier, Haryana was quite well in position, but towards the closing stage of the first half, it was Bengal getting that position, working out so beautifully and holding on the heavier and faster and taller Haryana players. Superb display by Bengal. 7-7 at the first half. And now we go back to the second half. Kick off right from the center by Bengal, right deep into Haryana, steadily collected. Pass behind, looking for the gap there, but being somehow caught there by Bengal. Went to move through right across and nobody challenging. And just about then warding off extremely well by Haryana, and right down, hardly any challenge and a tackle and Haryana taking that ball right into the Bengals in goal area. Look at that handoff. Once more again, second handoff here. Haryana going through right across goal line to score. So look at that move right down from Haryana's half here, taking the ball right through. And it was just that the ball carrier from Haryana was thinking that it would be tackled, but Bengal just waiting by somebody to take that responsibility of tackling the player down, but unfortunately it didn't happen, and that gave Haryana to take that move right through. So conversion not successful here. So Haryana on 12, West Bengal in 7. Waiting for the restart. Haryana to take the restart once again. A kick high in the air, collected by Bengal, and a knock on, giving advantage to Haryana for the ball to throw in. Not collected cleanly by Bengal. Two players trying to jump for it. A little confusion there. But a knock on by Bengal. Haryana now to put in the ball. Scrum down here. Ball in. Haryana's ball passing down to the scrum off to the fly half. Going across and going through the gap to go through, and what a lovely support coming down from the center. Once again, Odisha Bengal failed to mark the players in their own defense, giving Haryana that opportunity to score a try. An easy try without any resistance by Bengal here. So Haryana take up this total right up to 17. Waiting for the conversion, and Haryana to take that conversion, getting successful, taking their points up to 2 more, adding up to 19. So Haryana way ahead, 19 points to 7 against West Bengal. So it's a matter of time here. Bengal can catch up and reduce the margin. Once again, a restart right deep, high up, collected by Haryana, going right deep inside to collect it, and a lovely collection. Well tackled by Bengal here, and a penalty awarded to Bengal for Haryana diving into the ruck. A quick move by Bengal, just slips down, doesn't get the rhythm right. Somehow Bengal still get hold of the ball, kicking the ball right deep along inside Haryana's defense. But once again, Haryana in position, really going into attack very strongly. Held down by Bengal. Quick out from the scrum half right to the center, and a quick switch from inside by Haryana, and a knock. And I think it's a penalty here against Haryana, and a card against Haryana for foul play. A yellow card being issued to Haryana. For some reason, I think the scrum is taking place with Haryana to throw in the ball. So it wasn't a penalty here, but a card shown for some dangerous season that the player had committed. So once again, Haryana takes charge from the scrum down, charging down across the corner flag, but a little missed by collection from the Haryana player, yet collected the ball well, going on the blind side to run through the Bengal defense to go right across to the corner flag to score. You see the slow motion here, being held up, and that was a knock on earlier. So just realized the referee had given to play on because the ball had gone back, and after consultation it was found that the ball had gone out of the line. So Bengal defending well here, and it's Bengal throw in. Throw in Bengal unable to get through that. Haryana making a quick move right from the center. Knock on by Haryana, and just in time where the advantage could have been taken off, but unsuccessful. Here Bengal holding on well. Good tackling there, bringing the Haryana player down. And in that ensuing moment of tackle, knock on having taken place, Bengal to throw in the scrum.
Time, last play almost. Last play. Out Mario, Mohit.
That advantage. Substitution here. So waiting, substitution changes have taken place. Referee signaling for the start, and a scrum down. Bengal throwing in. Was driving by penalty, driving by Haryana before the ball being thrown in, and penalty awarded to Bengal. And a quick move by Bengal, taking the penalty right across, going across on the corner side, and well supported by Bengal. And look at that pass there, just missed it, but still the support coming extremely well by Bengal. And what a wonderful move right from Bengal's half to coming down into Haryana's defense here. Beautiful move, good support, and a knockdown, unfortunately, by Bengal. And scrum down for Haryana to put in. Score now Haryana 19, West Bengal 7. So we see Haryana putting the ball, getting the ball from the scrum. Ball kicked out by Haryana, indicating that the whistle had been blown. The hooter had been blown for the game to finish. So here it is, Haryana winning by 19 points to West Bengal 7. Having both the teams coming up to the final was a very creditable moment, but the honours now really Haryana taking over and winning this championship for the All India Sevens tournament for men 2024. An exciting tournament between the men's tournament right through for 2 days. And this is the culmination of the finals, with Haryana taking the top spot and winning convincingly.
Yes, we finally have our champions of the tournament. The champions of the 11th edition of the Senior Men's National Rugby Sevens 2024. It is Haryana who get the title, who will be crowned champions of this tournament. And what a game it's been. They displayed, they showed why they truly were the champions, kept West Bengal at bay. And 19-7 is the final scoreline, and after 73 games, folks, Haryana are the champions. The team in red will be crowned and will take home the trophy. It's been 2 days of riveting rugby action, and at the end of it all stands tall this team in red, that is Haryana, who are showing great appreciation for their opponents West Bengal, who also deserve a lot of praise. Making the finals is no ordinary feat, and they really showed their grit, their determination to win. But in front of them were a team that was just better on the day, and you need to drop your hat to the team that plays better. So, folks, Haryana